Imagine this: you're an international student in the US, attending class, keeping your grades up, when suddenly you find out your visa has been revoked. No warning, no explanation, just one email. Or worse, a knock on the door. What's going on? In this explainer, we are unpacking why the US is suddenly revoking student visas, sometimes overnight, and how it's happening through a mix of tight academic rules, employment traps, social media surveillance, and increasingly political pressure. If you're studying in the US or planning to, you need to know what could put your visa and your future at risk. The F1 visa is what allows foreign students to study full time in the US at institutions certified under the Student and Exchange Visitor Program or SEVP. But this visa comes with very strict conditions, and breaking even one, even unknowingly, can lead to visa cancellation. Let's break these risks down. Dropping below full time enrollment. Students must maintain a full time course load. If you drop a class and fall below the required credits without prior approval from your designated school official, you're in violation. Academic or disciplinary dismissal. Getting kicked out for low grades or code of conduct issues, that's a direct path to visa revocation. Unreported changes in course format, switching to part time, hybrid, or online classes without updating SEVIS, the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System, can jeopardize your status. Unauthorized work, working without proper circular practical training (CPT) or optical practical training (OPT) authorization, can get your visa revoked fast. High risk employers, working or interning with organizations tied to sensitive sectors like defense, foreign funding, or under US sanctions, can also threaten your visa status. Inadequate financial support. Even if you showed sufficient funds when applying, failing to prove financial capability later can cost you your visa. Forgery and misrepresentation. Submitting fake admission letters, doctored financial documents, or false information during application or updates. That's grounds for immediate revocation. Failure to update your address. Students must report any change in address to SCVIS within 10 days. Not doing so is a violation. Overstaying. Once your authorized stay ends, you must leave the country. Even a small delay can lead to bans from future US entries. Criminal charges or arrests. Even if not convicted, pending charges or an arrest can trigger visa cancellation. Perceived security risks. If you're flagged by US security or intelligence agencies as a national security concern, your visa can be revoked, no court ruling required. Dependent violations. If your F2 dependent, spouse, or child works or studies full time without permission, it could lead to your F1 status being revoked. Failure to transfer SCVIS after switching schools or degree levels. Students have 60 days to initiate a SCVIS transfer when changing institutions or moving from undergrad to grad school. Miss that deadline, you lose your legal status. Beyond the existing strict rules, new policies and enforcement practices have increased the pressure on student visa holders. There have been alarming cases of visas being revoked for seemingly minor violations, like traffic tickets. Some infractions happened years ago, and students weren't even notified beforehand. A simple speeding ticket could now disrupt your entire academic career. Students involved in pro Palestinian protests are facing heightened scrutiny. The case of Rumeysa Öztürk, a Turkish student at Tufts, is a stark example. She was detained and almost deported for alleged links to Hamas based solely on her protest activity. Authorities are now reportedly using artificial intelligence to monitor international students' social media for content supporting banned organizations. DHS has legal authority to review your online presence, and posts that seem anti US, political, or sympathetic to flagged groups can get you blacklisted. The administration has begun canceling visas based on nationality. South Sudanese students, including basketball prodigy Kaman Muloch of Duke University, were targeted due to the country's failure to accept deported nationals, regardless of the student's own record. Another Trump era policy aims to end birthright citizenship for children born to temporary visa holders, meaning international students who have children in the US could see their child's citizenship rights disappear. Perhaps most worrying, universities aren't even informed when a student's visa is revoked. That means students get no support or guidance during these high stakes situations. DHS and ICE are ramping up audits of school records and service data. If they find inconsistencies, both the student and the school could face penalties. Institutions hosting large pro Palestinian protests are under additional scrutiny and could lose their right to enroll foreign students. Lastly, and most chillingly, your visa can be cancelled at any time. A consulate or border official can revoke it without notice if they believe you have become ineligible. So, if you're studying in the US, stay informed, stay compliant, and stay cautious because your status can change overnight.